What's a fact about your family that disturbs people that my parents demanded complete access to my room, diary, phone, and personal belongings at any time without warning? Because children don't deserve privacy until they move out. My parents made it seem so normal, too. Mom was this former military brat who grew up with zero privacy herself, and Dad was a control freak who worked in corporate security and genuinely believed surveillance was love. They met in college and bonded over their shared belief that transparency builds trust, and decided to run our household like a maximum security prison. I thought all kids lived like we did until I visited a friend's house when I was 8. I was shocked when I realized the rooms in our house had locks. I didn't even know interior locks existed. I ran back home to tell my parents, thinking maybe they'd be excited to hear that privacy was an option too. My mom laughed in my face and said,